1, 2, 3, go. Punta ulit kami sa ESO para kumain. Food rating. Tara guys. Big Daddy Stop. Hintay lang tayo guys ng pagkain natin. Come back later. Bite natin guys. First bite. Thank you, Lord. Food review, food review. Mountain Dew. 10 out of 10. Tapsilog. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Nice.
Bacon.
10 out of 10.
Uy, rice. 9 out of 10. 7. Medyo dry. Mountain Dew.
10 out of 10.
Overall rating 9.2.
Very good. Recommended. Uwi na tayo. Let's
Budget
go.
meal.
Good for the budget. Look at the menu. Let's go.